What's up, you guys? I know who it is, man. It's your boy, MicIsh.B, man. And today, we finna be talking about the ducking feature inside of LumaFusion. Why would you need it? How can it better help your editing software or help you edit better videos? And you know, why do I use it? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I use it every single time I shoot a video. It's really helpful. It pretty much, you know what? But I gotta go anyway. Let me go to the doctors with my son. I'll finish explaining all that there. Let's go talk about this ducking feature. At the end of the day, who gon' have my back? Are you just a fake friend waiting to attack? Whoa. See, I'm really trying to see what we're standing at. I'm really trying to see what we're standing at. If it come down to it, and I count on you, I can't. I want to tell y'all what the ducking feature is. Pretty much just having your music in the background. Your audience be able to hear your words clearly. And all it really does is just ducks down the audio in your video, and then it brings it back up automatically. So you don't have to worry about raising each talking video, you know what I'm saying, so everything could be nice and clear. It does it automatically for you. Yeah, let's get it. My wife and son finna come right now, so we're supposed to be going to the doctor's office, but we kind of missed the appointment, so they're gonna do it later. But right now, let's go pick them up. Let's see. Hope they walking across the street. Here they go. Look. So the one thing I wanted to tell you guys is you have to make sure that whatever video that you want to be on top to make your words be able to sing, you have to put that on master. You have to put that on master. And then whatever song or whatever music you have in the background, you put that on auto, so it'll know, okay, automatically when it starts speaking, I need this sound to go up. There we go. So you guys, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, no, give a thumbs down. I like those too. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, man, which I am MicIsh.B, please subscribe, man. And thanks to all the new people that have came out, man. I'm at 90 subscribers. Whoa! I never thought in a million years that I'd be at 90 subscribers. I never thought there'd be that many people interested in the content that I bring to you guys and the things and the knowledge that I know about LumaFusion, Logic Pro, and also Beatmaker 3. So if you guys have any questions about any of those three programs, man, or you trying to learn anything about to get your creations better, please leave a comment down in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give a thumbs out. Until the next video, you guys, y'all know who it is. It's your boy, MicIsh.B, and we out. Whoa, whoa.